So guys, if you can't find your desktop icons, here's how to fix it. So to start, go into settings. Press on personalization. Press on themes. Scroll down. Select desktop icon settings. So if you find a missing icon here, check it off. You see for me though, it's still not working. Select apply. So the next thing you want to do is right click on your desktop. Go to view. So if you don't see it, show more options. Go to view. Show desktop icons. There you go, that should bring it back. So final thing, if you don't see the icon you want, search for whichever icon. Right click. Select open file location. Click and drag it. Alright guys, thanks for watching.